Welcome back to the channel, Crypto Farm community. It is your host. Today we're going to be diving down into Steed Token, and as you guys can see by the logo in the banner, this one is big, especially whenever it comes to the horse industry. Now, I have dived down into their Twitter, and I got to tell you guys right now that they got some impressive things going on with their token. So if you guys will, smash up that follow button. They currently have a total of over 9,000 followers. They have been here since June. We're talking about a financial tech company. So taking a look at their very first tweet right here, it is pinned. Big announcement. Steed Token, also known as STD, will be listed on the token very soon. And if I'm correct, I've actually seen some other important announcements talking about some other big crypto exchanges. And right now, at this current moment, we got the Launchpad second season. This is going to be for P2P B2B. So ladies and gents, they actually got something going on right now at this current moment. So as you guys can see, looks like we got a total of 9 days and 5 hours. It states to buy STD. So in this case, you have until August 17th, and you can actually purchase in USDT, right? So make sure you guys put in the amount that you would like to invest, all right? So what is this project even all about? Well, you guys can see right here that Steed Token is reinvented by its community. And what they're looking to do is to aim for a more efficient circular ecosystem that brings all horse lovers in a new, innovative way. So a little bit about this project, you guys can see that they do have an awesome vision. We got some goals, and then we got their community. So it states that they are proud to announce the debut of Steed cryptocurrency, which was accomplished via innovative blockchain concept. So as a team, they have worked hard to empower and educate individuals from all walks of life with their innovative initiatives. So their goal is to help people embrace the emergence of digital financial markets and help them make the switch to digital crypto-based payment solutions. You guys, awesome, I like that. Then we got their goals. So their overall goal for Steed Token, well, it will be the official digital money for all horse communities and owners that want to make it as simple as possible for buyers and for sellers throughout the globe to come together, interact, and trade. And then we got the community. So obviously for Steed Token, the community is driven project with the primary goal of attracting as many people as possible to adopt, educate themselves on the usage of new financial innovations in their day-to-day lives. So you guys, they're looking to expand a lot of things, especially whenever it comes to the horse industry. Now, if we dive down, you guys can see that they have many different types of exposure. So, for example, we got the press release, right? They got Bazinga, Digital Journal, Market Watch, Yahoo Finance, D&J. You guys, a lot of people are able to read about this project, which means we're probably going to be expecting the price action to go absolutely crazy, especially on these big exchanges. So, if we take a look at their roadmap, a lot of important things here. I'm actually super pumped up here. So right here, you guys can see that they do have a total of 5 different phases. Now, I believe that everything is going to be accomplished. And why do I say that? Well, all of the tasks that they have here seem pretty simple and pretty basic. So it's going to be easy and simple whenever it comes to growing this community. They're definitely going to be hitting their targets with no problem. So phase number 1, looks like they're going to be doing a token IEO launch, 1,000 holders, 5,000 Telegram members, CoinGecko, and CoinMarketCap listing. Now, if you guys are like me, I'm always paying attention to the recently added cryptocurrencies. So I believe that once these get listed, boom, a lot of people are going to be piling in. Then we got our contract audit. This is going to be important for due diligence and for safety. Phase number 2, looks like we got 10,000 holders, 20K Telegram members, marketing campaign. So they're going to be doing a lot of awareness on social media, merchant website, and integration to exchange. Phase number 3, 40,000 holders, They're going to be listing on small exchanges. They got an NFT project kickoff. I'm curious to see what that is all about. Then we got linking the community to writing points around the world, worldwide partnerships, and gear up for major exchange listings. And as we already told you guys, right? We already told you and showed you that they are in negotiations with some big exchanges. Phase number 4, first event, NFT creation, also known as the stall. I want to see that. I got to see that. Then we got integrated marketplace on Android and iOS. So it looks like they got an app coming. Then phase number 5 got improve the problems the community is facing. Horse festival shows around the world open to our holders, so maybe they can get in for free. Then we got sharing the passion with youth and education and listing on major exchanges. So you guys, like we stated, they got Token, they got L-Bank, they got Bitmart. Maybe they'll get onto Binance, Kraken, maybe even Coinbase. Who knows, you guys? Super pumped up. I'm super pumped up. Diving down into the tokenomics, aka the token allocations. You guys can see right here the breakdown. We got the token name, which obviously is going to be Steed, right? Then we got token symbol, STD, total supply. There's a lot there, but it looks like they're going to have a massive token burn of 40%. And we got total liquidity, 40% tokens added to Uniswap. So 5% is going to be for the Steed stations, 5% is going to be for donations to charity, 10% for marketing, and yeah, we got our 40% and 40%. Super excited about this. All right, now continuing on, you guys are going to see where it talks a little bit about the app. So the things that they're going to be able to talk about here, right? We got the marketplace. We got the Steed swap, so that's kind of like I think a Uniswap or something like that, maybe a pancake swap. Then we got Steed Station, interesting. I'd like to see more announcements and updates on that. And we got the Steed Farm, so same thing for that. I would like to see more announcements and updates on both of those, so interesting. Down to the downside, you guys can see where it states, watch our demo video. They're going to be posting this very soon. So it's going to be talking about the Steed app. So if you guys would like more information, then be sure to check that out. Now, once again, how do you buy Steed? Well, there is a few ways at this current moment, okay? So obviously, it looks like one of the main ways is going to be with Uniswap. So for Uniswap, what you need to do, ladies and gentlemen, is you need to have a MetaMask or Trust wallet. So for example, I actually have a MetaMask wallet, and you guys can see that it's going to pop up here in just a second. Now, once you have a MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet, make sure you guys put some ETH in it, aka ERC20, okay? Then after that, you can actually buy STD whenever it comes to Uniswap. So you guys can see right here, I have it connected. So all I would do is go directly to Uniswap and buy it up. Or if you want, the second option that we stated is going to be on P2P, B2B. So we got a total of 9 days, you guys. The limit, it is counting down. So if you want to get in this pre-sale launch, then now is the opportunity. We really don't want you to miss this at all. Now, if you would like to, at the very bottom of the website, you guys can see where they do have a contact us section. So if you have any type of questions, anything to offer, any type of suggestions, then this is going to be your place. Just place your name, email, subject, and message, and that is it. Or if you would like to, you can reach out to them on their other social, which is going to be on Telegram. Currently have a total of over 4,000 members, 121 online. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, that this is a community-driven project. So Steed Token, there you guys have it. Make sure you take up that opportunity to follow them on their socials. Make sure you guys get in the pre-sale and get in the launch. Other than that, have a beautiful day. We will see you later, and check.